Okay.
Oh! Yay, we did it! Ampli K300 60 for you. Ready, set, spin. Well, Lucky, I hope it's gonna change. What do you mean you don't care about the moon, Robert White? What is this attitude? 5x on cash hunt. Nico, we will go there. Wait, Robert. So you chose to go with him? Okay. That's a cash hunt with a 5x. Can I get a woohoo? Let's go. All right, boys and girls. We're here. There we go. This is the 108 multipliers. Max multi right there, 100x. But hold up, wait a minute. We will make every single one of them 5 times more. So we get 500. Look at those, 125, 250. Listen, guys, we get everything here. Everything. We hide them, mix them, and we shake them up. So none of us knows where they are hiding. And now, boys and girls, it's your time to shine. You got that one shot, one opportunity. Please take your time. Keep in mind, though, multipliers are not related with symbols. And if you don't want to choose by yourself, that's totally fine. Autopic will take care of you. I want to find 500 as well. I want present. That's a nice present, 250x. So, 40 of you got...
Wow. We were talking about you. Somebody in the chat said that you are the best.
Nah.
Andy is the best, and I said I really agree on that. Guys, I said that. I'm not lying. I'm not being good to you. I did not lie about it. Come on, please. We have multiplier, please. Woo! 5 times multiplier, the crazy time to look at that. Ladies and gentlemen, my time to go to the crazy time. Oh, okay, we will have another person. Did you take the microphone? Because today I went without the microphone, and I was like, hey.
I forgot it once as well.
Yeah, and I was like, what is happening?
Awkward situation.
Yeah,
so can we push that button with I can push my button with the face?
Yeah, easy.
Easy?
I will like slap it. Ladies and gentlemen, 5 times multi is added.
You can grab my hair and like...
Bro, please no. Okay, green, blue, yellow.
I'm using the studio.
What
Which
are
one
we
you
doing
picking?
now?
I'm green. What?
You're green?
I'm green.
No, you're not green. You're orange.
I'm not. There's no orange flapper.
Well, we need to make one.
Okay. Let's go, guys. That feels good.
I love it.
It looks really silly in the camera, though.
What?
It looks really silly in the camera.
Like, I wanted to do it, but like I'm a girl, and you know that would look more dumb to me. But for a man,
all right, nice. We got 100x, 200x, and 75. Not bad.
beautiful.
Yeah, exactly.
Champions, I see at this moment. My congratulations, let's try once again. So, Tani, what do you mean? I don't know what you're talking about. What is your main language, Tani? Cash in for 10x. Woo! Always, what is always when? Listen, if we're talking about this day, well, here, we catch few good cash ins. Oh, come on, jump! Oh my gosh, one more, baby! Oh, yay, we did it, ladies and gentlemen! It's a cash in with 10x on it. Bam! Woo! Look at this. Massive multiplier in your pocket. Let's go. Let's check those main multipliers. Okay, and then let's make everything 10 times bigger. Bam! Woo! Oh my! Check this out. So highest multiplier, ladies and gents, 1000x. You have a chance to shot 500x, 250, 100. Board is juicy. Make yourself happy. Wow, I have a goosebump. Oh, thank you, Thani. Okay, guys, choose wisely your lucky emoji, your symbol. I'm faithful to one spot, 37. I was struggling all day. Now it's time for me to catch something juicy there, too. I hope so. And let's reveal the multipliers. Oh, 650. 1,000 is for 38, 500 for 200.
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.
Wondering how to make a play all night, looking your way from